Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a lead form on Instagram and on Facebook using it on Meta platform for your campaigns. But we might not go into that today on your campaign. But first, let me show you how to create a lead form and take you around the lead center on Meta. With that being said, let's jump right into the video. So the first thing you want to go back to your business suite. So from your business suite, you would see all tools. Then from your all tools, you'd see the instant form. So you click on the instant form. When you click on the instant form, the lead add form would show. So you come over to here, this place, you click on create a form. When you create a form now, it will ask you a series of questions, and the first question it will ask you, do you want a new form or do you want a duplicate form? For those people who have created lead form before, you can easily duplicate and make correction. But for those that are new, just like me, because this is our temporary or tutorial accounts, so we are also going to create a new form. With that being said, now you have to name your form. So this is SoundCloud lead. So let me explain. A lead is a potential customer. Now you need, for B2B marketing or B2B campaign, you need a very high quality lead. And that is why we are creating this. While you are doing a campaign to get people to book calls, people to fill in their details, people to get your email, phone number, you can also create a campaign for B2B, which we have all done several times in SoundCloud, talking about what we have done. SoundCloud have a service called a done for you service for marketing for B2B and B2C. That's for business to business and for business to customer. You want to grow your business to business sales, and you also want to grow your business to customer sales. You can easily go to our website right now and book a call, because we have amazing strategy that we have used over years, many years, and we have generated amazing results. So you want to get more customers, you want to get more leads for your business, you can go to our website right now and book a call where we'd share all the strategies we use, and then we do it completely for you without you being involved while you focus on your business. Is that interesting? Go to www.soundclass.com right now. So now creating the leads, now we don't need more volume for business, because many times the algorithm would say, oh, more volume, less people would feel. But from over time, what we have seen is when you click on high intent, you get people that are really interested. The algorithm try to show people this lead, show people your products that would really get to buy at the end of the day. So I always try to use that high intent lead form. Then the next thing you do, you click on next. So you can add an image to your lead. You can just add any image. For me right now, I'll just show you how to upload an image. So you click on upload, you select any random image. So I think I have some images here, image of me just doing my thing. So then the headline, so this is SoundCloud lead. You want to just get, now I can say register or book a free call with us now for SSM marketing, social media marketing, SMM. And that's all you have to do. You can have, you have to describe what you are asking them for, literally, so you don't just copy what I'm doing. So here is where you put your optional questions. There are some questions that are not on the preset. So questions are on preset are name, full name. You can ask your lead for phone number. You can also ask them for their WhatsApp number. Probably you have like a WhatsApp community and you want to add them to it, which I always recommend. Then you want to know where they are reaching out from. So Facebook take their leads very serious. So reason I'll show you in the privacy part. So where are they reaching out from? You just work with, you can like their role, their job role. Since it's a B2B marketing, their job role, and also where are they working? Don't assume that your lead form is too long. The longer it is, the higher the intent the easier you can filter off unnecessary leads, because when the form is very short, you get very, very low quality lead, because they could easily fill the form in less than 5 or 10 seconds. So you want them to really think before they click the submit button. And that's why you have to think about what are the questions your lead should answer before clicking that. So now I have optional questions which I could add, like their revenue, what they earn. So you can ask that, what is your current revenue? And then they'll fill that part. What kind of service do you want? And questions you have in mind that you really need to be sure that this is a lead. And you can add, I always advise, add as many filter questions you can add to reduce low quality lead. Because yes, over the period of years I've been doing this ad, I've seen that we can get 1,000 people filling a form and literally 100 will be the ones to convert. I understand, and over the years we have tried to test different things, and one of the best thing that we've done is to reduce on the noise and focus on the quality lead, because we have to filter all those data to find that 100. So the first thing you want to do is focus on the high quality lead. Try to discourage people who are not interested in your service. Try to discourage people who are not interested in your service to not fill the form, and that's what you have to do. Now you click on, so you can add as many questions as possible. I always advise that. And most times for my clients, we give them a questionnaire where they fill out all the questions or the customer journey they have, just to have better leads for their just to get better lead for their business. Now go back. So there's something I did not add. What would be this detail used for? So you always have to tell Facebook, because Facebook take their customer details very, very serious. Their customer policy, their user details are very important to Facebook. So you need to tell them what this information will be used for. So I always say we are reaching out to them, reaching out to complete service or something. Just try and put something reasonable there. Service requests. So most times I have my content writers write out something for me to just copy and paste there. So now Facebook is aware, because if they are not going to approve your lead form. They need to be aware why you need their information. Also, they want to confirm where you said you have a website. Where is your website? So you have to put all of that in here. soundclass.com, and also the title of the form, stay up to date with Mr. Jason, or we can just have code book, or we would reach out to you, we would reach out to you. And yes, with that we are done with our form. So we review it. Yep, that's all. You have to add your website link here, so when they want to end the form, they can visit somewhere. And that is it about your lead. I know you have learned a lot. All I would ask for is to share this with somebody trying to get more leads for her or his business. And you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel while we keep on sharing amazing and insightful content that literally nobody talks about on the internet. Check it out and tell us what you think about this lead form. And with that being said, let's click the create form button together. 1, 2, 3, click. And here we have it, our first lead form. We have created the first lead form. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up a campaign with this lead form. With that being said, subscribe to our YouTube channel and see you in the next video.